Okay, so this is the room tour of one of the rooms we're staying in at the Hyatt Zilara Cancun in Cancun, Mexico. And this is just the view from outside of our door. And that is one hall down one way. And that is the hallway the opposite way. And we're staying in room 434. So let's take a look at the room. So we are staying in a standard junior suite king bedroom with an ocean view. The room automatically comes with drinks, refreshments. There's water, beer, sodas, juice. And of course, there's some snacks, some Pringles, cookies, nuts. We'll start with this entryway to the closet. And of course, room with the safe, closet with the safe. Vanity. And there's even a scale. Come out this way, and then here is a toilet. And the shower, which has the option of a standard shower or the waterfall shower. And then of course, there's the vanity. Another sink. Okay, let's go to the bedroom. So here is the bedroom. It's pretty spacious. And keep in mind, this is the standard room, if I understand correctly. There are larger rooms, but this, for the Mrs. and I, more than satisfactory. Did a little shopping, of course. There's the bed. There's the desk. Jacuzzi tub. And there's a standard sitting area. And of course, they gave us a complimentary bottle of wine, which was very nice. And of course, we'll take a look at the view. Oops. So here's the patio. Comes with 2 chairs, table. If there is a downside, the patios aren't completely private, but you can't beat the views. Look at the view. Now, the one thing I will say about this particular property, if you are the type of individual who just wants a party 24/7, this may not be the place for you. This is a adults only resort, fairly quiet, but there are plenty of activities to if you're into doing certain things. But as far as just constant music, maybe an hour or 2 each day is about the most that you'll get, and it's not terribly loud. But if you want to go party, obviously we're downtown is just a 15-minute walk. So if you're the type who is into peace and serenity, the Hyatt Zilara Cancun may be the spot for you. Hope this tour helps. You know what? One other thing I forgot to show was this private pantry door. So for whatever reason you want to order room service, they don't have to come to your door. They got a little compartment here. They'll put your food in. They'll turn on this little switch right there. There's a little switch right there, and this light comes on to let you know that your food has been delivered. Thought I'd show you that. Again, hope this room tour helps. There you go.